Today we're gonna do a oil change on a 2007 Lexus RX350. It's my dad's vehicle. We've already gotten it driven onto these ramps, so it has a little bit bigger ground clearance to get underneath. So let's. I've never done it before on this vehicle, so I'm not sure what side sockets and what to expect as far as what's underneath. But let's give it a shot here, and we should have all the tools necessary to get the job done today. Here's the filter housing. It's on the passenger side of the vehicle, and what it says is torque to 25 plus or minus 5 Newton meters. And right beside it is the oil pan, and over here is the drain bolt. The drain bolt is a 14 millimeter. Perfect. Okay, so I removed the drain bolt. It's slowly draining out right now, just a trickle. Next, I need to remove the filter housing. So the filter housing has two parts. First is this disc. This needs to come out first, and then I'll put in the this thing. So this thing is supposed to plug in and then drain out any residual oil that's in the filter housing, and then we'll use the filter housing torque wrench to remove the entire housing and replace the filter. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Two streams going, one from the main drain bolt and one from the filter housing with the adapter in. It's draining the actual filter housing. So we'll wait a little bit and then take out the filter housing. After the filter housing has been removed, there's still a little bit of a trickle. That's fine. Here's what it looks like. I've already taken out of the actual filter. It's in this plastic bag. Very dirty. There's still a little bit of oil. I'm gonna try to dump it out. Next, what you need to do is remove this huge, big O-ring and replace it with a new one. And the small O-ring goes around this guy. Let's do it. Top of the filter housing. This is where, over here, is where this small O-ring goes. Right there. Okay. With the filter installed, and also the other side, the drain cap installed. I torqued that to about 10 foot-pounds, so it's basically just snug. Make sure you don't over torque it. So, because the next time when you want to remove this, if you over tighten it, you won't be able to get it off. Yeah, and make sure when you put in the filter, make sure it snaps in. You should hear a click, and then it's good to go. Okay, the filter housing back on. The drain plate on the filter housing is also back on, so that one is 10 foot-pounds, and the actual filter housing I did 20 foot-pounds, and the drain bolt over here, I'm going to do 30 pounds on this guy. After you've tightened everything down below, make sure there is no loose bolts or anything like that. It's time to come up and fill the oil. This engine takes about 6 liters of 5W30, so I got the one from Walmart, SuperTech. It was on sale, so it was a good deal. Yeah, again, 2007 Lexus RX350 V6. Here it is. This is the first jug. I'm gonna have to put the other jug. These are 5-liter jugs. So the other one is all filled up, and I need another one liter off of this. That'll be done.